Change. It happens to all of us. And after 5 years, it's time to leave. I'm saying goodbye to my flat. And this is kind of a message to myself in the future, as well as to myself now. It's been a nice little flat. You've had some time to yourself. It's been your haven when you needed somewhere to hide. It's been your place to entertain friends. It's been places to have time to yourself. Relax. Lament. To self-heal. It took a while, Alan, but you got there. And now it's time to say goodbye to your tiny kitchen, to your tiny bathroom, to your ultimate shower, to your hallway, to your bachelor pad, to your bedroom. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say thank you. Change isn't bad. Change is the future. And there's a very bright future ahead. Christmas, New Year, some fantastic business growth, a beautiful girlfriend, a stunning little child, and a future. It's been nice, little flat. Goodbye. Here's to the future.